Hello everyone. In this question, we are asked to solve for m, given that 4 to the power of root m to the power of root m is equal to 256, and we are asked to find the value of m. So at this point, our focus will be at the right hand side. Let us see how we can express 256 in the power of base 4. So we have that 4 to the power of root m to the power of root m is equal to, at this point, we have 4 to the power of 4. Now, if you observe the left hand side and the right hand side, both of them have the same base. So we can say that root m to the power of root m is equal to 4. But just to remind you that root 4 is equal to 2 and 2 squared is equal to 4. So looking at the left hand side, we have root m to the power of root m. So we also want to express 4 in the form whereby the base and the index will be the same. So at this point, we have that root m to the power of root m will be equal to 2 to the power of 2. Now, at the left hand side, the base and the index is the same. Also, at the right hand side, the base and the index is the same. So therefore, by comparing, we can have that root m is equal to 2. But we are asked to find m, not root m. So we can take the square of both sides. So square will take out root. So we have that m is equal to 2 squared is equal to 4. So the value of m in the question given to us is equal to 4. Thank you so much for watching. So let us check if our answer is correct. So remember that we are given that 4 to the power of m to the power of m is equal to 256. Now our focus will be on the right hand side. The value of m is 4, so we have that 4 to the power of root 4 to the power of root 4, and this we say is equal to 256. We start with the topmost power. We know that root 4 is equal to 2, so this becomes 4 to the power of 2 to the power of 2 equal to 256. 2 squared is 4, so we have that 4 to the power of 4 is equal to 256. And looking at the left hand side, 4 to the power of 4 is 256. So therefore, the solution that m is equal to 4 is valid. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.